Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with hydraulic levelers, outside storage, side and rear cameras, digital TV antenna, full body paint, outside shower, triple slides, triple step entry, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, roof ladder, generator, wardrobe with storage drawers, entry grab handle, dream booth dinette, over-the-range microwave, bunk above cab area, stainless double kitchen sink, electric awning with LED lights, 4-door refrigerator, bathroom cabinet with mirror, convection microwave, windows at each bunk, set of bunks, battery disconnect, power driver's seat, rear bath, 2 full baths, power privacy shade on windshield, interior grab handle at entry door. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.